If you are watching this right now, this message is not a coincidence. Something guided you here and it wants you to hear this. Before you scroll away, take one breath with me. It could change everything. This is for the person who feels like they have to handle life alone. If you have been silently struggling with addictions, whether it is alcohol or cigarette or some other addiction, this is your sign to stop and listen. You're not here by accident. You're here because something is ready to shift. Namaste. Welcome to day 11. Today's healing is on. You're not doing this alone. You are completely divinely protected and divinely guided. So let us start our day 11 EFT. Start with a karate chop. Even though I sometimes feel alone, even though sometimes I feel alone, and when I do not see, especially my loved ones around me, I feel I'm completely left out. I feel this society or my family or my friends do not care for me. Yet, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though sometimes I feel alone, and my family and my friends are not around, and society do not care about me, I feel I'm completely left out. I feel like I'm completely left out and I have no one to share my pain or my sufferings. Yet I keep myself holding. That is because I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I feel like I have to do everything by myself. I have to get well soon. I have to start earning money. I have to share my happiness and joy with my family, friends. I want to go for vacation and all these things I want to achieve it now. And I feel overwhelmed as I cannot do everything by myself. At this point of time, I choose to be kind to myself. I choose to be kind to myself. I choose to be kind to myself. Even though part of me is tired, overwhelmed, and unsure, I honor these feelings with compassion and I release them. Even though part of me is tired, overwhelmed, and unsure, I honor these feelings with compassion and I let it go. Even though part of me is tired, overwhelmed, and unsure, I honor these feelings with compassion and I let it go. As I deeply and completely love myself and I accept myself. I have been carrying this weight for so long and I was not sure when this is going to end. Today, with the help of divine, I totally know that I'm completely supported by divine, protected by divine, and guided by divine. As such, I deeply and completely love myself and accept myself. Sometimes my heart is heavy Sometimes my heart feels heavy, as if I cannot take any more burden. Yet I love myself, I accept myself. Yet I love myself and I accept myself. Many days when I was locked into my darkness, room looks dark, room looks dirty, I'm surrounded by filth, I have no control over my body, mind. In those moments too, I still trust divinity. As such, I love myself and I accept myself. I asked God several times why people are not around me, why people left me alone. I was not sure what to fix and where to fix and how to fix. I was not sure. Yet, I totally love myself and honor myself and completely accept myself as I am divinely protected and I am divinely guided. I screamed in my head so many times why people are not loving me. Maybe I was not thinking right. People are loving me. Maybe people are loving me. I was unsure about it. As such, I love myself, I accept myself. I thought people want me to weather away. Even there were several moments I felt like my family, friends, my loved ones wants me to weather away. In those times too, I am completely guided by divine and protected by divine. So I love myself, I accept myself. Now start tapping on your eyebrows. I have been carrying so much alone. I have been carrying so much pain alone. But I am completely protected by divine and guided by divine. So I love myself, I accept myself. Side of eye. Sometimes it feels heavy. Sometimes my heart feels heavy because I do not know when all this will stop and how to impress others. With the help of divinity, with the help of divine, I now release all my stress that I need to impress others. Divine loves me and I love divine. I'm part of this divinity. Even felt that nobody really understands me. There were several moments where I felt that nobody understands me. Yet I love myself, I accept myself. I felt like I myself has to stand up and be strong again, as no one is coming to my aid. I felt that I myself has to do all the things and stand up again and be strong again, as no one is there to help me. I'm tired of doing everything myself. I'm so tired of doing everything myself. I have to fix my education. I have to fix my job, my career. I have to fix my family. I have to fix my friends. I'm so worried and so tired about my future and my current state. And my body is not supporting me. I'm so worried. I'm so worried. At this moment, I'm letting go all those weak points, all those frustrations, all those pain points, as those memories are no longer serving me. And I love myself, I accept myself. Part of me feels unsupported too. I'm not complete, as my part of me is not supporting. Yet, I do understand there is a divine intervention. I don't have to do all by myself. My divine helps me. I love my divine and divine loves me. I'm completely guided by divinity and supported by divinity. Part of me feels that I have forgotten myself. Under your arm, keep tapping all the points. Part of me feels that I have forgotten myself. But I do understand. I love myself, I accept myself. When everyone leaves me and no one is supporting me, my heart feels hurt. I feel hurt in my heart. I feel hurt in my heart. Part of me learned that I have to rely only on myself. Part of me learned that I only have to rely on myself. Now I'm open to the possibility of support. Now I'm open to the possibility of support. I accept divine support and divine's help. Part of me feels scary when I have to trust others. Part of me feels scary when I trust something unknown. I allow myself to soften just a little so that I receive divine's love and protection. I allow myself to soften just a little so that I receive divine's love and protection. Now I'm hearing I don't have to do all this alone. Now divine is whispering on me that I don't have to do all this by myself alone. There is a lot of help outside. There is a lot of help outside. All that I need is ask from my heart that I need help. Part of me is asking for help right now. Asking for help as loud as I can. As I love myself, I accept myself. Supported in a ways that I cannot see myself. Divine is supporting me in so many ways that I cannot see. And I love myself, I accept myself. Part of me feels very unfamiliar. Part of me feels very unfamiliar. To ask help is like a self defeat. Yet, I am open to the new possibilities as I love to receive divine's help and support. Unfamiliar, it is also comforting that I have some support. Though it feels unfamiliar, it also feels comfortable as I receive help from outside. Maybe I can rest. Maybe I can rest and ask for divine's help. Maybe I can rest and ask for divine's help. As I love myself, I accept myself. As I love myself and I accept myself, I can stop fighting for everything. I don't need to have that survival mode. I am beyond survival mode. I am beyond survival mode as I receive help from divinity. I love myself, I accept myself. Divine loves me, divine protects me. One side of your eye, my hands were held by universe. Universe is holding my hands. I place my both the hands in divine's lap. I give my both the hands to divinity as I am ready for new possibilities. As I love myself, I accept myself. Sorry, divine, for not trusting you for so long. Please forgive me. Thank you for all your help. I love you, divine, and divine loves me. I'm sorry to myself for being so hard on myself. I'm so sorry to myself as I've been very hard on myself. I love myself, I accept myself. Please forgive me for believing that I have to suffer all by myself. Please forgive me for believing that I have to suffer all by myself, shutting doors, closing windows, and not opening to the society or to the family or to the friends or to the government or to anyone. Sorry, divine, sorry, myself, for not believing that I have to suffer all by myself. I shut off from everything as I was too afraid, and I do not want anyone to say. or call me disrespectfully. Thank you, Divine. In these dark moments, you helped me to survive. Thank you, Divine. In those dark moments, you helped me to survive. Thank you to myself for surviving all this time. I love myself. I am divinely guided and I am divinely protected. I do not hesitate to ask for help from medical help or physical help or anything emotional help. Now I do not afraid to ask for help and support, physical help, emotional help and help. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you and I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you and I love you. I'm sorry. I cannot see support around me. I'm sorry that I could not see support around me. Now I am willing to believe it is here. Thank you. Now I am willing to believe the support is here. Thank you and I love you. Now I am willing to believe support is here, my dear Divine, and I am ready to accept Divine's help and support. I love you, Divine. I love you. I love myself. I accept myself. Parts of me that is doubting, I am opening those doubts and letting it go by trusting something greater divinity. I'm open to trust and ready to receive something greater and highest good. Universe is supporting me, divinity is supporting me. I'm so thankful to this divine. I love myself, I accept myself. I am guided by divine. Thank you, divine. I'm totally guided by divine. Thank you, divine. Divine is working something behind the scenes. Divine is working something behind the scenes and helping me. Divine is working behind the scenes and helping me. I love myself, I accept myself. Divine is protecting me in every way it can. I love myself, I accept myself. Divine is loving me as much as I can. Divine is loving me and I love divine too. Divine is loving me and I love divine too. I'm holding myself. I'm holding myself as divine is holding me. I'm holding myself as divine is holding me. There is a warm light around me that is comforting me. There is a warm light around me that is comforting me. I'm ready and willing to connect with wiser part of me. I'm willing and ready to connect with wiser part of me. I'm willing and ready to connect with wiser part of me. I am open to divine guidance beyond fear. I am open to divine guidance beyond fear. I am open to divine guidance beyond fear. My higher self is calm. My higher self is calm. My higher self is seeing my bigger picture. My higher self is seeing my bigger picture. My higher self knows the way out of this rut. My higher self knows the way out of this rut. Even when I do not know, my higher self knows it. I trust my higher self and I let go all my controls. I trust my higher self and I let go all the controls. I trust my higher self and I let go all the controls. I'm guided step by step. I'm guided every moment. I'm guided step by step. I'm guided every moment. I'm guided step by step. I am guided step by step and I am guided every moment. I do not need all the answers right now. I do not need to know all the answers right now. I do not need to know all the answers right now. I just need one single step. I just need one single small step. I just need one single small step, that is accepting divine's support and guidance. And it will be shown to me, and this divine support and guidance is shown to me at right time, at right place. Life supports me. I love myself. Life supports me. I love myself. I'm loved more than I realize. I love myself. I accept myself. Divine loves me more than I realize. I love myself. I accept myself. I never truly alone. I never truly alone. Divine always supported me. I love myself. I accept myself. I am never truly alone. Divine always there with me. I love myself and I accept myself. I'm guided in perfect ways. I love myself. I accept myself. I'm guided in perfect ways. I love myself. I accept myself. I'm safe to trust life. I'm ready and I'm safe to trust this life again. I'm ready and safe to trust this life again. I love myself. I accept myself. I'm safe to receive help as I love myself. I accept myself. I'm safe to receive help as I love myself. I accept myself. I'm safe to rest myself. I love myself and accept myself. I'm safe to reset my mind. I love myself. I accept myself. I am safe to reset my mind. I love myself and I accept myself. I am divinely guided and protected. I love myself. I accept myself. I'm favorite child to this universe and universe loves me. I'm favorite child to this universe and universe loves me. I always receive highest and greatest good. All is well and I am completely safe and secured. I love myself. I accept myself. Thank you for unseen support in my life. My dear Divine, my dear Creator, thank you for unseen support in my life. I love myself, I accept myself. Dear Divine, thank you for guiding me every moment. I love myself, I accept myself. Dear Divine, thank you for guiding me. Though I might not realize everything now in this moment, I trust my divine is guiding me. I allow divinity to continue to guide me more and more. I love myself, I accept myself. I love myself, I accept myself. Thank you for holding me, divine. I love myself, I accept myself. Thank you for holding me, divine. I love myself, I accept myself. Thank you for walking with me, my dear divine. I love myself, I accept myself. I love myself, I accept myself. I am so happy and grateful as I am supported by divinity. I'm so happy and grateful as I'm supported by divinity. I love myself, I accept myself. Divine is guiding me. I love myself, I accept myself. Divine is guiding me. I love myself, I accept myself. I'm not alone, and everything comes to me at right place and right time. I love myself, I accept myself. All that I need is to let go all these addictions, which I am letting go. Goodbye, all the addictions. If part of me is still carrying any sort of addictions, you may leave now. Thank you for leaving me all the addictions. Goodbye, alcohol. Goodbye, cigarettes. Goodbye, smoke. Goodbye, drugs. Goodbye, every addiction that I'm holding it right now. Goodbye, cravings to sweets. Goodbye, overeating. Goodbye, binge eating. Goodbye to unhealthy eating. I'm completely guided and supported by divine. Everything is unfolding to me at right place and at right time. Everything is unfolding to me at right place at right time. Thank you, divine, for supporting me. I love myself, I accept myself. I love myself, I accept myself. Now visualize dark smoke is leaving out of your body. All the cravings are going in the form of those dark smokes that are leaving in your body. Visualize every exhalation, you are leaving all the cravings, all the past, all the controls. This is the last round. Visualize all the bad breath, bad smoke, cold, cough, everything is leaving your body. All the brain fog is leaving from your body. All mental disorders are leaving your body. Visualize all mental disorders are leaving your body. It is coming out of every pore of your body, and every exhalation, all the black smoke is going out of your body and disappearing in this universe. As divine is guiding you, you are completely protected by divinity. Let go all the cravings, all your desires on smoking, drinking, and other habits. Let go any desires that are pertaining to your addictions. Let go. Let the divine do its duty. Just surrender to divinity. Divine knows how to clean it. Your every exhalation, take away stress, anxiety, fear, loneliness. Can let go all this unwanted, undeserved desires. Sit comfortably while tapping. Relax more your body as divine knows how to heal you. I completely surrender to this divinity. I let go all my controls. I am ready to heal. Tap on your fingers. Life supports me. I am healing. Thank you, divine. I love myself. I accept myself. I am more loved than I realized. As divine supporting me, I am releasing all my controls on addictions and my thoughts. I'm completely surrendering to divinity. I love myself. I accept myself. I totally complete myself. I totally, completely, wholly surrender to divinity as I am truly protected and guided by divinity. I love myself. I accept myself. My divine is guiding me in perfect ways, and I love myself. I accept myself. Divine is guiding me in perfect ways, and I love myself. I accept myself. I am safe to trust this life. I am safe to trust this life, and I am now switching off my survival mode. As I love myself, I accept myself. On the back of your palm, I'm safe to receive help from divine. As I love myself, I accept myself. I'm safe to receive help from divine. I love myself, I accept myself. I'm safe to receive help from divine. I love myself, I accept myself. On your left, see on your left, I'm safe to reset my mind as I love myself, I accept myself. I'm safe to take protection and guidance from divinity as I love myself and I accept myself. I'm open and willing to receive lots of guidance, support from divinity. As I love myself, I accept myself. Down, I am now complete, total, protected by divine, supported by divine, and guided by divine. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now, breathe out, exhale for 7 times like this. Thank you, thank you. Drink some water and get ready for a meditation. You can do it even in the nighttime meditation. So thank you and see you on day 11 meditation.